This is Andre Lapointe live on YouTube from Seaway GM with another great deal we have for you during Seaway GM's annual February Yellow Tag used car sale, SD&G's largest virtual used car sale ever, right here in Cornwall. Listen, my team, I spent the last few days rolling back the prices on every single pre-owned vehicle we have on the lot so you can enjoy the best possible price this month on over 70 quality vehicles from brands like Chevrolet, Buick, GMC, Cadillac, Dodge, Jeep, Ram, Ford, Hyundai, and Toyota, just to name a few. Each one of our quality used vehicles come with a thorough 150-point plus inspection, a CarProof vehicle report outlining the vehicle entire history, as well as a lifetime warranty on brake pads. Why pay more? We have deals starting at $5,984 right up to premium collection Cadillac Escalades and Yukon and everything else in between. You need financing? Hey, no problem. Our automotive finance experts will help you get the lowest rate possible so we can perfectly fit the payment into your budget. And don't worry if your credit isn't perfect, because our special finance specialists have the tools and connections to help you get approved for the vehicle you deserve. Why freeze outside trying to find your next pre-owned vehicle when you can shop by video from your favorite device and get a chance to win $35,000 in cash? Yes, everybody who will register online for Seaway GM's Yellow Tag used car sale this month will get a chance to win $35,000 in cash. Just follow the link underneath this video to register in seconds and get instant access to all the deals we have during our event. Already driving a vehicle? Hey, great. Bring it with you and let us make you a mind-blowing offer. We're always looking for great quality used vehicles. So if you're looking to buy a quality pre-owned car, truck, or SUV and get a great deal from a reputable dealer that will have your back, Seaway GM is your place. So if you see something you like, you better act quickly, because during our February Yellow Tag used car sale, our used inventory will sell fast. Visit us online at seawaygm.com to register for the event, and see you soon at the dealership.